Welcome back. This is the train channel. We have an OC&T's light power train. Let's check it out. Roll it. It's like they're heading towards East Titusville right now. I gotta turn the cameras this way here. The car we're in right now is a Toyota RAV4. We don't have in for the Dodge Journey today. Until that engine leaves, and then we'll get, there we go.
And then go over to the main one.
Yeah. This is the OC&T Elco 75 assembling right now. The 75 goes to Titusville, Pennsylvania, and terminates to East Titusville, Pennsylvania, all on this Wednesday, September 27, 2023, from Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. But we don't know they're going to the WLs or to East Titusville is what it is, so we're going to find out as soon as we get back on with the next train we're going to be getting off. Talk to you later.